Good afternoon, peoples. What a lovely sunny day. It is Saturday. We've, as you can see, all the yards clean from all the wood. I'm still chopping that wood up down there. Anyway, today we're going to do Amanda's chain. It's very, very loose. So we're going to film doing that today. So let me get things ready and we'll be back to you after these ads. Alright, catch up. Rightio peoples, I'm back from the adverts. Alright, cheers. Now we're going to go do Amanda's bike. As you can see, I've got my mechanic gloves on because I am with the V-STROM mechanic crew. So we come down here. Oh, and we've got to undo this. Everybody knows probably how to do it. Oh, bloody hell, that's tight. Jesus. That was tight. Anyway, so we just loosen that up, peoples. Now, if we can get Amanda out the way for a minute. Okay. Rightio. So, we've got to get, Amanda will have to get, I need my other glasses on. Hang on peoples, hang in there, hang in there. Right, so we're looking here. Right, this is where you do your measurements. Okay. So you've got to push this up. You can't exceed. Well, that's not 30 mil. I don't know. Yeah, it's still pretty loose, but so I'm pushing that up pretty hard. It's going. It's not. Oh yeah, we'll go from here. So yeah, it's got to go. Alrighty, people. So we go down the back now of the bike. You have to come around here, mate. You have to come around here. Amanda's filming.
Yeah. Oh, to see my number plate all.
Right. So we start it there and go halfway. Amanda's hopeless. Bloody filming. We'll start it there. We go halfway. Then we just recheck it. I don't know why I've got my gloves on because it matters. No, it's got to go heaps. Alright, so we went there, didn't we? So.
Oh, that moved the chain.
Yeah. So we do it again. Because the only reason you do this is so you keep the wheel virtually. Then it's not crooked. Better keep it the same. Now I've got oil all over me. Keep this gloves on. There, it's 40 mil. I can't see with your hand there, babe. You're getting too excited.
No, I'm not.
So that's 40 mil.
That looks
from
like
there.
50.
No.
On the bottom of the chain.
You've got to go from the bottom of the chain. Right, so that's pushing it up as hard as I can. It's still showing 30. And I reckon that's tight enough because when you sit on it too, alright, so that's the way. You get too tight, you strip your teeth on your thingamajigs.
Is that it?
Yep. So what we'll do is then we'll get you to take up a bit of a spin down the block. So we tighten it up. I really do need the
Show everybody what he's got on the other side to hold it there. Oh,
just a spanner on the other side. Alright, let's see what you mean. You're in the property. Right out, man, take him for bike for a spin. Come on, babe. Don't drop it on camera. Yep, that's better. No rattle. No rattle in it, peoples. Yeah, so it's between 30 and 40 mil from the swing arm there, and that's about where you want it. Because if you go any tighter, you'll strip the front sprocket, and there's yeah, you can damage everything. The chain snap and go anywhere. So there she comes. That's better, isn't it?
yeah, heaps better.
Yeah. There, stick it in the garage. Stick it in the garage. Rightio, peoples. So there's a little bit of a video for you. Got a ride coming up with Dodger in October. Hopefully we can do whatever we want as the 26th of October. So we're going to do an overnighter. Dodger's got a place where we can go. He's going to organise where we're going to go. So we're going to do an overnighter with there. And yeah, so hopefully we can start getting some rides in, which will be awesome. Alright, I'll catch you next time on Dino Madness Ventures, and everybody ride safe and be COVID safe. Alright, catch ya. See ya.